Good morning, students. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so today's date is 12th of January 2021. This is class 11 and I will teach you commerce and I'm going to ask you few questions. If you know the answer, then please give answer in complete sentences. Okay, so tell me, um, what do you mean by business?
Buying and selling of goods and services for profit motive is known as business.
Very good. Um, how business earn profit?
Business manages all activities in order to earn profit.
Very good. Who manages activities in business?
Director, manager, and employees manages activity in business.
Very good. What are other person that engage in business?
Other persons are creditor, debtor, consumers in business.
Very good. Okay. So what all these people make?
Management.
Okay, students. So today we shall study about business environment. Okay. So tell me what makes business environment uncertain?
Changing environment makes business environment uncertain.
Very good. Okay. So what is business environment?
The environment of business is called business environment.
Okay, so here is meaning of business environment. First of all, it is sum of all individual and institution. Means in business environment, it consists of individual persons also and institution corporation also. Okay, so it takes both individuals and institutions also. Okay, and there are two factors involved in business environment. First is an internal factor, and the second one is external forces. Okay, so these forces affect business and these are out of the control of business means these forces are out of the control of business and what they have effect on business. Okay, so what they affect performances of business. Okay, so this is the meaning of business environment. Okay, so the term business environment means all individual and institution and other forces that are outside the control of business. Okay, so business factor include internal factors and external factors which affect the business and these factors affect the performance of business. Okay, so tell me, business environment include which factors?
Business environment include internal and external factors.
Very good. Okay, so what are internal factors?
Internal factors are those which affect internally.
Okay, so here are the internal factors of business environment. Okay, first is strength of employee. Okay, so strength of employee is a very important internal factor of business environment. Why? Because if the employees are hardworking, motivated, so they will work hard for an business and it will generate more profit. Okay, so it will helps an business to earn more profit and to grow and develop. Okay, so this is first strength of employee. Second is financial. Okay, so in financial, what factors are there? It is investments. It is interest rate. These all things are comes under financial. Third is innovation. In innovation, it is required in order to keep with competitors. Okay, so any business has to do innovative ideas and to bring innovation in their techniques or their methods or their product to keep up with the competitors. Okay, so that's why they can only survive in the market. Fourth is organizational structure. So organizational structures are the board of directors, the chairpersons, and the managers. These all people consist of organizational structure. They make decisions of a business and they take very important decision of business on which the whole business is depend on. Okay, so these were the internal factors of business environment. First was strength of employee, and second is financial, third is innovation, and fourth one is organizational structure. Okay, so now tell me how employees affect business environment.
If employees work hard, then they get better results.
Very good. Okay, can you name some external factors?
Creditor and debtor are external factors.
Okay, very good. So here is the external factors of business environment. Okay, first one is economic environment. Okay, so economic environment, it includes rate of inflation and economic activity. As by the name you can understand, economic activity will be included under this factor also only, because inflation rate and deflation rate, this will definitely going to affect your business. So this will come under economic environment. Second one is social environment. Okay, so by the name you can understand that social change, cultural change, and social attitude will come under this environment. Okay, because business environment works in society. Also for social people it is for, and from society it also it generate a profit. So definitely it has a very good effect of social environment. Third is legal environment. Legal environment includes the changes in acts and policies which are done by the government time to time. So these changes in acts and policy will have effect on business environment, on business. So this includes in the legal environment. Okay. Fourth one is technological environment. In technological environment, you know that it includes the advancement of technology that also have an influence of business organization. That's why these are the four important external factors of business environment. First was economic environment, then social environment, and then legal environment, and then technological environment. Okay. So now tell me, what is legal environment?
It includes government acts and policies.
Okay, very good. So what are the importance of business environment?
Business environment help in better result of business.
Very good. So here are some importance of business environment. First of all, first importance of business environment is identification of opportunity. Okay. So whenever any changes it takes place in business, like the acts and policies take place, social changes take place. So any kind of changes take place, then definitely the business has to identify the opportunity so that they can grab the opportunity and make profit out of it. Okay. So that is why business environments help an organization to identify the opportunities so that they could take profit out of these opportunities. Okay. Second thing is identification of threat. Likewise, when policy acts and these things social taste of people or any changes take place in society or in the business environment, then of course also there are so many threats of business. So business environments help the organization to identify the threats and they can make measures to cope up with these threats. Okay. So this is why a business environment is very much important. And third thing is tapping useful resources. Okay, so there are so many resources in the society. So business environment helps this business to tap useful resources. Okay, so resources from environment and resources helps in business. Okay, these resources are helpful in business. Fourth one is coping with changes. So there are so many changes take place time to time in society, in any environment, legal environment, social environment, economic environment. So business environment help in changing business environment. Okay, so it will help the business environment. Okay, so tell me, what is business environment?
Business environment means sum of all individual, institutions, and all other spaces that are outside control of business.
Very good. What are internal factors?
Internal factors are anything within control of business.
Very good. What are external factors?
External factors are outside the control of business.
Good. So give two example of internal factor.
Give two examples of internal factors.
Okay, so internal factor are strength of employees and financial. Okay, so these are two example of internal factors. Okay, so give two example of external factors.
Creditor and debtors are two examples of external factors.
Okay, so creditor debtor are also example of external factor, but the example of external factor I have taught you were legal environment and economic environment. Okay. So here are some sentences. Say true if they are correct. Say false if they are incorrect. Okay. So first is business environment is totally in control of business.
Business environment is totally in control of business. False.
Very good. Second one is innovation helps business keep up with competitor. Very good. Third one is economic environment includes acts and policies.
False.
Very good. Fourth one is business environment helps in identifying threats.
True.
Good. Fifth one is technological changes does not affect business.
False.
Very good. So here is your homework. First question is write meaning of business environment with its importance. Okay. Second question is write two example of internal and external factor of business environment. Okay. Thank you, students.